Hey Google, play some Christmas music.
Okay, here's the Spotify playlist called Christmas Classics.
What is up, Glamo Squad? Welcome back to another Vlogmas video. It's Saturday, y'all, and I am about to get out. It's so nice outside, y'all. It's like 40-some degrees, so you know I'm about to be out. I have a couple runs to make as usual. I have to get some more Christmas gifts. I have to run to my favorite store, Hobby Lobby, and I gotta get some gift wrapping. I'm thinking what I want to do is get solid black wrapping paper with white ribbon and then white solid wrapping paper with black ribbon. I think that'd be like super cute up underneath my tree since everything is like all silver. So I thought that would be really cute. I also have to go to a furniture store today and make an extra stop. So yes, and then I'm gonna come back and, well, I gotta get some boxes. Do y'all know the stores that's not giving out boxes for real? So I have to go and buy boxes and then come back and start wrapping stuff. So yes, I'm gonna be doing that today. So I'm sure y'all wanna come with me. So let's roll out.
Love yourself. A merry little Christmas night.
So me and my mom just left the furniture store that you guys just seen in the clips. That I actually found that on Facebook. I didn't know what to expect, but they definitely had like a lot of antique pieces, and they also had a lot of stuff from that other store that I be going to. I'm like, y'all trying to resell their stuff, but to each his own, to each his own. Because Hobby Lobby only has one left of the white wrapping paper, and somebody opened it. Like, why? I'm thinking I should get this one to go with the black. I'm really upset right now. I really have my eye on that wrapping paper. I just knew I should have got it the last time I was here. So now I'm thinking of doing bags for the gift cards. I think I would get these. Good morning, Glamo Squad. It is literally the next day. Happy Sunday. Yesterday, as you can see, I did not get to finish vlogging, so therefore I wasn't able to edit and get that video out, which is why it's combined with today's video. But let's just say today's video is going to be short, sweet, simple, quick, 5-minute DIY project that you can add to your holiday decor. I definitely added it to mine. It's super cute, glammed out wreath. So if you don't have any holiday decor, this is like the perfect project for you to do. So I'm ready for y'all to see it. So let's go ahead and get started.
Okay guys, so today we are going to be making a Christmas wreath. I got some silver garland that I got from Michael's, and then this memory foam circle. So this is going to be the base, and this is going to go on here. This DIY project is definitely a 5-minute project, so grab you some foam, grab you some garland, and let's get started. Okay, y'all, that wraps up today's and yesterday's Vlogmas. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this pretty glammed out silver wreath that I just made as a DIY project. I'm about to go and hang it up. I still got a few Christmas gifts to wrap. But yes, I'm going to wrap up this vlog here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and also leave a comment below letting me know what you guys think. And I will see you guys next week, probably for the final, maybe for the final Vlogmas video. So, see y'all later.